Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to find your GitHub ID. This is particularly useful when you need to reference your unique user identifier for API integrations, automated workflows, or simply verifying your account details. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your GitHub homepage where you can manage all your repositories and settings. Now look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can configure various aspects of your GitHub profile and preferences. Once you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This sidebar contains all the different categories of settings you can adjust. Look for the option labeled Emails and click on it. This section manages all email-related settings for your GitHub account, including your primary email, notification preferences, and privacy options. After clicking on Emails, you'll be taken to a page displaying your email settings. Now scroll down through this page until you locate the section titled Keep My Email Addresses Private. This is an important privacy feature that GitHub offers to protect your email from being exposed in commits and other public activities. Within this section, you'll find an email address displayed in a specific format. Look carefully for the email that follows this pattern: curly bracket ID, curly bracket plus curly bracket username, curly bracket at users.noreply.github.com. The number that appears before the plus sign in this email address is your unique GitHub ID. This numerical identifier is permanently assigned to your account and remains constant even if you change your username. And there you have it. You've successfully located your GitHub ID using the private email address format. This ID can now be used wherever you need to reference your unique GitHub user identifier. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.